Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. I miss you guys. I hope you miss me too, but I am back with a new tutorial showing you this low manipulation, super easy, sleek low pony on naturally curly hair. I love wearing this style for when I'm just not ready to do my hair for work, or my wash and go is old, or even when my hair just needs to be washed. I love wearing this style. It's very sleek and cute. So let's get right into it. I'm actually going to be adding a part to my hair, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I see a lot of people do down the middle, so you can do down the middle, you can do to the side, or you can do no part if that's what you prefer. I feel like my forehead looks smaller if I have a part, so your girl trying to have a 4-head and not a 5-head, so I'm gonna go ahead and add the part. Now I'm adding water, and you want to make sure you're moisturizing your hair and keeping your hair moisturized. I feel like that's a key to having healthy hair and to help with length retention, and really that's kind of what I'm focused on right now, is keeping my hair healthy, doing styles that only require a low manipulation. Like, I don't want to be doing a bunch of twist outs or a bunch of braid outs right now. I just want to kind of give my hair a break, and that's why I like to wear wash and goes most of the time, and I only do it once a week, so I'm not really in my hair all the time. The gel I'm going to be using today is the Ecostyler olive oil gel, and if you guys know any good gels that you like, comment them down below. I actually do like this Ecostyler olive oil gel. You guys can see on my last videos, I just started back using the Ecostyler gels. I haven't used it since I had a TWA. It's kind of like I got bougie on Ecostyler, but now I'm coming back to it because I'm like, oh, this actually works pretty good. So now I'm just adding the Ecostyler gel to my roots, and this is just going to help slick down my hair so I can get that sleek pony look. I rarely ever wear ponytails, but every time I wear my hair like this, I get a lot of compliments, so I'm actually going to start wearing it a little bit more often. And like I said, it's so convenient for work when my hair isn't done and I don't want to wear it on the top of my head. I love just putting it in this sleek ponytail. So now I'm just pulling all of my hair back. I'm just pre-laying my edges because I'm going to go in with my handy dandy toothbrush and really lay them. And this is another thing I really like about the Ecostyler gel. It really lays my edges. If I use a toothbrush, use the Ecostyler gel, then I leave a scarf on it, when I wake up, my edges are laid and they actually hold the whole day. So that's one thing I do like about the Ecostyler gels. I know a lot of people prefer their edges a bunch of different ways, but I feel like sleek edges really give this look the look, you know, and it kind of hides my forehead. So again, my edges help me have a 4-head instead of a 5-head. So yes, I love to have them slayed. And now I'm just gonna add some water to the ends of my hair and add some moisturizer. Keeping my hair moisturized will really help with length retention and retaining length so my hair can grow and flourish. I'm about to lay my hair, and I'm going to keep this scarf on for about 15 minutes. Usually I would do it before I did my makeup, so I would do my hair, put my scarf on, do my makeup, and then I would be all ready to go. It doesn't take that long to mold your hair in this style, so I'm just going to keep that on my hair. Got my do-rag on, and now it's ready for takedown. And I'm just gonna fluff out my ponytail just to fluff it out a little bit, give it a little bit more volume. And this is the final look. I hope you ladies enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Share with your curl friends to give them some easy hair inspo. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at @asierra, because I do giveaways on Instagram sometimes. So don't forget to follow me, subscribe, comment down below if you will wear this hairstyle. Love and blessings, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Mwah.